Calcutta and beloved citizen of Meghalaya. Today, as we gathered in the sacred hills of Shillong, we stand united under the guiding light of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay's vision of enduring the upliftment of the last person in society. This training campaign, the Prashikshan Mahabhyam 2026, is not merely an exercise of skill building, it is reaffirmation of our collective commitment to the service, discipline, and nation building. Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay taught us that politics is not power for its own sake, but a sacred duty, a dharma, to serve the poorest, the voiceless, and the forgotten. His philosophy of integral humanism reminds us that true progress lies not in material wealth alone, but in the holistic development of body, mind, spirit, rooted in our culture values. Here in Meghalaya, a land of rich tradition and resilient communities, this campaign carries a special meaning. Our caricatures are the bridge between the people and the vision of self-reliant Bharat. Through this training, we are not only learning organizational skill, but also embracing and responsibility of being those together of honesty, transparency, and compassion. As we move forward, let us remind three guiding principles. Number one, seva is service. Every action must be dedicated to the welfare of society, especially the motherless. Number two, siksa, that is learning. Continuous training strengthens our ability to lead with clarity and conviction. Number three, sakra, that is resolve with discipline and unity. We can overcome challenges and fulfill the aspiration